How to download Snapseed on iPhone. Editing photos on Snapseed is quite simpler. To download the Snapseed on your iPhone device, just go to your App Store. Now click on search bar and search for Snapseed. Once you search for it, now click on the second option where you can see the icon for Snapseed. Now tap on download button. Once you click on it, your app will start to download. And as you guys can see, Snapseed has been downloaded on our iPhone device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.